when your woman, a woman that you met for the first time, make this type of noise, she has been, finished with other men. In short, she is a Keziah. We have a lot of noise, a lot of tatata noise, ponani noise that women make whenever you are knocking a woman. So in this video, I want to differentiate it. I would like you to pay attention and check which one do your woman make. Yes. When a woman you are knocking that woman and she's making a noise, please, that woman is not enjoying that. Yes, that place is paining her. Yes, kpekus water is not dropping the way it's supposed to drop. If her kpekus water start to drop and you are hearing, sir, you don't need a seer to tell you that she is Keziah. Yes. I never said that you must marry a Virginia. But I want to tell you that that woman, many has been knocking her, that lady. Yes. Another noise that we hear, when you hear that noise, you will know that, oh, it's not only me that is bashing that woman. It's when the woman is making po, 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 po. You know what I mean? Po, 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 po. You are knocking a woman. That place is doing po, 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 po. That is the noise that comes out from. That woman can knock. She's not a Virginia, but she can knock. And her kpekus accommodates any type of, joystick, any type of cassava. Yes. When you are knocking a lady and you are hearing this noise, especially that lady that you have not paid her bride price, and you are hearing the sound that comes out from her ponani, po, 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 po. Please, that lady is not only you that is knocking that lady. Yes. Before I continue, I would like you to share and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. Here I talk about relationship matters. If you haven't subscribed, please do well. If you are my returning viewer, God bless you. Keep on coming. A lot of sound you will hear. Just that men, they don't pay attention while knocking a lady, especially when they met that lady newly. Yes. Pay attention. Pay maximum attention. A woman that is knocking always, her kpekus has tune. It shock you. Yes. When you hear fufufu, when you hear pum pum pum, that woman has been knocking. You are not the only one. When you hear pum pum, it has been long. She has been knocking. Yes. It has been long. She has been knocking. When you hear a woman, you are knocking, and that knocking is sounding patam, 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 patam. She is bringing out water from her Jerusalem ground very well. And she is satisfied with what you are doing. Her body, her hormones is relaxed. She's enjoying what you are doing. And that woman belongs to you because she gives you every of her heart. What do I mean? Her mind is well relaxed in what you guys are doing. Yes. When you are knocking her and she's giving you patam, 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 that woman, she's enjoying. Yes. She is enjoying what you're doing. And she's not a Keziah. She is not a Keziah. Some men, they don't pay attention in all this. Although I don't blame you because you don't know all these things. Yes. That is why I am here to coach you so that you will not make mistake. So that you will not make mistake. So that you will know the type of a woman you want. I don't mean that they are not good, though. I don't mean they are not important, they are not obedient, or they are not respectful. They are. But it depends on you to know what you are marrying. Do you understand? See you guys again in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.